Are you tired of carrying detergents from the market? Or do you face difficulty to gauge the right amount to be used? Ugh, see? Why are you still using traditional cleaning chemicals? Wait, no more! Here's the new cleaning technology, Solucare. Solucare is eco-friendly, lightweight, and very portable. The Solucare range is comprised of two categories, Solucap and Soludose. Food Safe Degreaser Spray, our most popular product, is designed to remove stubborn grease and grime from all food preparation surfaces, including oven and microwave to make them as clean as new. Solucap provides fast, effective cleaning solution in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select the sachet. Step 2. Place it into a reusable trigger spray bottle filled with water. Step 3. Shake it and it's ready to use. Soludose is convenient to use as you just need to drop in 1 sachet of our cleaning chemical to produce a bucket of cleaning detergent up to 20 liters. Solucare offers a wide range of cleaning products in concentrated sachets, labeled by color-coded system, making the product identification simple and practical for all users. Solucare is ideal for use in bakeries, hotels, commercial kitchens, and restaurants. Solucare is recognized by the EN1276 and NRCS certification and approved by the Ministry of Health Malaysia. We provide our customers with environmentally friendly, biodegradable, and food-safe cleaning products. Solucare, simple and eco-friendly, so just forget about the traditional way. This is Solucare.